back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So the other day, which is the last video posted in my Beauty Bay haul, I had a look and I really liked that look, so I wanted to recreate it because I did not film it when I did the look originally. And the palette I used was actually the Cara Beauty Poetry of Love palette. So I bought this from TJ Maxx. It was like $6.99 and they do still have them there. I'm actually thinking about going and getting a few because I really like this palette. So that way when I'm ready to do a giveaway, I can go ahead and put those in the giveaway since these are now like my favorites. So make sure you subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos. Also, make sure you're giving the videos a thumbs up if you enjoy them. And then always leave a comment down below on what you think of the video. We're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already primed my eyes, and to prime my eyes, I used my Milani concealer in the color 125 Light Natural, and then I used the MUA loose setting powder to set that. This was in my Beauty Bay haul that just went up, so I wanted to test it out. I don't know that I would actually set my face with this because it's supposed to be translucent, but you can clearly see on my eyes, but I mean, we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna try it out today, but at some point I will try it out. So we're gonna go ahead, jump straight into this look. The first color I used was Peachy, and I put this into my crease. And the background is what's giving me these vibes. I also plan to use, if you saw my other haul, which was my Ulta haul, and it should be the Ulta Part 2 haul, I had the Tammy times Makeup Revolution palette. I plan to use that palette because that palette is also giving me, like, I think it's called Tropical something. It gives me tropical vibes, and so this background also, so I'll probably use this background for that palette as well. So that will be coming up soon because I really want to use that palette. Took me a while to get it, but I'm glad that I finally went ahead and bought it. So now I'm just blending out that color, which is Peachy. Okay, now I'm going to take the color Coral Dream and put that over Peachy in my crease to kind of deepen this up. So I'm thinking of at some point doing a Shop My Stash video, and then also a video, because I know I did my makeup collection, but I didn't really go over everything in my collection or show everything in my collection. I just kind of showed you where my collection is and the drawers. So I think I might do like a palette collection and then like a blush and highlighter all in separate videos, of course, so that you can like really see like which palettes I have, and then maybe that can help you if you're looking for palettes with what palettes you want to choose for your collection. So I'm still thinking about that. I'm just not sure, but maybe at some point. You can comment down below if you think that I should or if you'd be interested. I'm gonna go ahead, cut my crease, and then I'll come right back. All right, I'm back. To cut my crease, I used the Beauty Bay Eye Base, and this is base 1. It is white. I actually really liked it. It dried down pretty quickly, so that's good. It's actually kind of dry and like a little bit tacky. So I'm going to now take Iced Tea, which is this color here, and I'm going to spray using my Mario Badescu and put that on my inner eye corner area. Let me just use the mirror that comes with the palette. course, I use my finger sometimes because it goes on better with my finger. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take this color Daydream, which is this orangey shimmer, and I'm going to now put that right in the center of my lid. I do tap it a little bit over iced tea so that they can blend in together. And with my finger, I just tap it on, I don't swipe. I'm going to take this color here, which is Dusty Pink, and put this on the outer corner here. To kind of bring in like this color here. So like I didn't do this on purpose yesterday. I think like just without thinking about it, I had this background up when I was doing my makeup because I thought I was going to record and then I didn't. And so I ended up taking like, it goes from like this yellow orange to this like pinkish purple. And I think that's what I basically ended up doing yesterday when I was using this palette. And I was not thinking about that when I picked out the palette. I just had this background up. I decided to use this palette. So it was kind of just by accident. Okay, so now I'm patting it and kind of bringing it forward over the orange so that they blend in well together. Okay. And now I'm going to take this color, which is called Velveteen. It looks like a brownish reddish color. I'm only putting that in this inner corner area to kind of deepen it up, to give it like this feel right here. Wait, where is it? Yeah, right there. But it's not like purpley, or it doesn't show up purpley. It's just going to kind of deepen up this the color, basically the coral color that's in my crease, and that dusty pink. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go off camera. I'm going to do my eyeliner, my mascara, and then the rest of my face, and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. This is a completed look. So on my lower lash line, I went ahead and used the colors that I used on my lid. So I used Coral Dream, and then I blended that out in the corner here with Velveteen, this darker shade here. And for my inner corner highlight, I used this Milani Strobe Light in Summer Glow. It's the number 7. For my highlight today, I used the Revolution highlighter Reloaded in the color Make an Impact. This was also in my Beauty Bay haul. And then for blush, I used the Love Wet n Wild. This was a limited edition blush. It's called Pearlescent Pink, and I got this off of Beauty Bay as well. When I went on the site, they no longer had it, but I did include the links for everything else that I got in that haul. And then I used the Essence Get Big Lashes Triple Black. And for my waterline, I used this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color Fresh. So the only thing I have not done is chosen a lipstick color. So in front of me, I have my Revolution Beauty lipsticks, and this is the Bear collection. I got this off of Beauty Bay as well. So I'm trying to figure out which color to use, and so these are the colors, and I think that I'm going to go with this color here. So this color is called Mannequin. So we're gonna go ahead, line my lips. Okay, So for the lip liner, I'm actually going to use the LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner in the color dark brown. So I don't use dark brown on my eyes, but I do like to buy the eyeliners to use them for my lips. Maybe I'll mix colors, I don't know. So this is what this looks like. I swatched these in my video. They're nice and creamy. So I like that. Just the very nude lip. Just making sure I didn't go out the lines. And now I want to throw a gloss on top. So let me pick out a gloss. Okay, I'm going to use my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Head in the Clouds lip. And I don't know what this is going to look like. I just like to try new things. Okay. Yesterday I did not do a lip gloss. I didn't even use the Revolution Beauty lips because that was part of my Beauty Bay haul. So this is trying something new. Okay, so there's a glossy lip. That is all for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Go back and watch the Beauty Bay haul so that way you can comment down below what video you want to see next as far as what palettes you want to see me use. Also, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I do have more coming. I still have a few more hauls that'll be up. And then also I have more makeup tutorials and eyeshadow tutorials using all this new makeup. Thanks for watching.